As you see, there are two different vaccines available in India. One is Covishield and another is Covaxin. If you have taken Covishield, the first dose, the second dose should ideally be taken after 8 to 12 weeks of interval. Okay. The efficacy is higher if you delay it from 6 weeks to 8 weeks, and higher, further higher if you delay from 8 to 12 weeks, but not beyond 12 weeks. So for the second dose of Covishield, you should have at least the interval between 8 to 12 weeks. Okay. Now the another vaccine which is available is Covaxin, and here the recommended interval should be between 4 to 6 weeks. Uh, uh, it's not should not go beyond 6 weeks, and 4 to 6 weeks is okay. Effect of COVID vaccine loss. I think it is a very tricky question, and nobody knows the answer. But if you follow the latest trials and the most recent reports, one can assume very safely that up to 6 months the vaccine gives protection against the symptomatic COVID. It is seen with the AstraZeneca vaccine trial when they followed the subjects up to 160 days, and it was found that the neutralizing antibodies they were persisting till that, though the titer was less. And similarly with the, I think Moderna, they have recently came out with their data, and they showed that up to 6 months there is hardly any uh, decrease in their titers. So initially, if suppose the efficacy was around 94%, and it after 6 months it was on 91%. So we can very safely say that at least we have evidence that few vaccines like mRNA vaccines and some viral vector vaccine, the duration of protection is at least 6 months. It may be longer, but we will have to wait further long. Right now, I think there is no such recommendation for annual booster, but you never know. In the future, I think just like influenza vaccine, we may need to have annual booster. It depends upon the epidemiology and how the virus behaves. And you see, you may need another, those who have taken 2 doses of these mRNA or the currently available vaccines, to take care of these emerging variants, which are particularly those which are immune evaders. You need to have a revised formulation of these new vaccines, and for that you may have to take another booster after taking 2 doses. But this is quite futuristic, whether two annual boosters will be needed or not. It is very difficult to reply now, answer that. And it may go as an influenza, you need annual booster, and it depends ultimately on the epidemiology of virus, how the virus behaves once we achieve adequate control. Yeah, it's a good question. I think if you have already completed the whole course of 2 doses of either Covishield or Covaxin, or in terms of other COVID vaccines, you need to wear mask and observe all these social mitigation measures like maintaining proper distance and hand hygiene, etc. Because most of these vaccines, they have shown they may not be having 100% efficacious against preventing asymptomatic transmission. So still a person who is protected, but he may transmit that virus from one person to another person. So, and right now we are getting evidence that some of the mRNA vaccines like Pfizer and Moderna, they have cut down the asymptomatic transmission also to a certain degree, but it is not 100%. You never know who will be the transmitter. So it's better if you take all the precautions which you were taking before being vaccinated.